Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix your Windows 11 brightness issue. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Here are some steps to fix the brightness problem on Windows 11. First, you need to check brightness setting. You can use the keyboard shortcuts, usually function plus F5 or F6 or function plus F11 or F12 in your keyboard. And you can use the quick setting, click on the network. It is right here, just tap on it and you can see the brightness bar is here. You can adjust the brightness from here also. So if that is not working and not accessible, you can go with further steps. Secondly, you have to update the graphic drivers. To do that, just right click on the start menu, go to device manage option, choose the display adapters in here, choose your graphic driver, right click on it, tap on update driver, choose the first one, and if says the base drivers are already installed, go back little bit and choose the second option, browse my computer for drivers, choose this one and choose your graphic driver from here, tap on next. This will install the already installed drivers again in your computer. And if it is not working, just close this one. You have to update the monitor drivers also. To do that, again right click on the start menu, go to device manager. In here you need to find monitors. It is right here, double tap on it. You can see there are two monitors in my case. Right click on it, tap on update driver, choose the first one, and if it says it is already installed, go back, choose the second one, choose this one, choose the monitor, tap on next. This will again install your monitor drivers also. So just cancel this. I am going to cancel this one, close this one. And if it is not working, you have to disable auto brightness option. To do that, you have to go to settings menu, just go to start menu, tap on setting. You can do just using Windows plus I in your keyboard also. Make sure you are in system section, and in the left right side menu, go to display. In here you can scroll down a little bit until under the brightness and color section. You can change the brightness from here also. Sometime in your case, if there is option called change brightness automatically when lighting changes, and make sure turn it off. In my case I can't find that one, so try to switch off that one. If that also not working, just close this one. You have to restart the graphic driver. To do that, you have to press CTRL Shift and Windows key plus B together. These four combination will be restart the graphic driver. You should hear a beep and see the screen flicker when it is restarting. And if that also not working, you have to run the system file checker. To do that, go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes in the pop-up menu. Now you need to type sfc space / scan now. Hit enter. This will take around 5 minutes to complete the system file check, and it will be fix your issue in the files if there is a corrupted file or something. When it is completed, you have to type this command dism, all should be caps, space / online space / clean up dash image space / restore health. Now hit enter. Wait for the process is completed. If this also not working, just close this one. You have to check for Windows updates. To do that, go to start menu here, go to settings. In the left side menu, choose the Windows update option and tap on check for update button. Then it will be check the latest update and download it automatically for you. then after you need to restart your computer. And that all methods are not working, you have to perform a system restore. To do that, go to search bar, search for control panel, just tap on it. Make sure in the view by is changed to large icons, and then after you need to choose the recovery option. In here you need to tap on open system restore, and it will be show what restore you can get. In my case, I can restore my system into this state with this time, so just tap on it and tap on next. Then after it will be restore the your computer into that last version. So these are the 8 methods you can try to fix your issue. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.